fx is a function of x. When value of x goes nearer to particular number, say a, that is called x tends to a. So x will not become a, but value of x tends to a. Then value of function will also possess certain definite number, certain value. Say for example, x tends to a means x can be 1.9, 1.99, 1.999, or it can be 2.1, 2.01, 2.001. Okay, it will not exactly become 2, but it will go nearer to 2. Then the function fx will also possess certain definite value. That is called limit of a function. Now, before understanding the concept of limit, you must understand certain concept. Real line. The real line or real number line is a line where points or value are real number. N, Z, Q, R. How to real numbers? Natural number, positive number, label. Then interval. A set of real numbers between any two real number is interval. Say 2 to 5. It can possess any value between 2 to 5. Or from 2 and 5. Starting from 2 up to 5. 2 to 5 कितने तो except 2 and 5. So 3 and 4 A निकला. Then close interval. If A belongs to R, B belongs to R, and A is less than B, then set of all real numbers between A and B, including A and B, is called close interval. From 2 to 5, so it will be 2, 3, 4, 5. That is called close interval. And open interval means between 2 to 5, means except 2 and 5, all the numbers between 2 and 5. So that is 3 and 4. So that is called open interval. Then closed open interval. It will include A but not B. Okay, starting from 2 to 5. So it will not include 5 but 2, 3, 4. Then open closed interval. So it will not include 2 but it will include 3, 4, 5. Okay? See. Two, three, four, five. Okay, all numbers between this. This is closed interval. Then this is open interval. This is closed open. This is open closed vector. Clear? See, this is denoted by two big brackets, small bracket, big and small, small and big. Clear? Then modulus. Modulus of any real number is always non-negative. Modulus 3 is also 3 and modulus minus 3 is also 3. So modulus will eliminate minus or negative sign. Then modulus as x minus a less than delta means x minus a less than delta if x is greater than or equal to a, or x is less than a plus delta if x is greater than or equal to a. Same way, a minus x is less than delta if x is less than a, or x is greater than a minus delta if x is less than a. So you can say x minus a modulus less than delta means x belongs to a minus delta and a plus delta. So value of x will be somewhere between a minus delta and a plus delta. Okay. Now, any open interval containing a, where a belongs to R, means a is any real number, is called neighborhood of a. Now, delta neighborhood of a. So there will be three forms: neighborhood form, modulus form and interval form. Neighborhood form means n bracket a and delta. Modulus form means x minus a modulus less than delta. And interval form means a minus delta and a plus delta. Now, express n bracket 5 and 0.2 in modulus and interval form. If it is given in it is neighborhood form. Now you have to convert it into modulus form and interval form. This is neighborhood form. Hence, a is equal to 5 and delta is equal to delta એટલે આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં 6 લખીએ ને એવું અને delta કહેવાય. Okay, now you have to convert it into modulus form. Modulus form x minus a less than delta means x minus 5 less than 0.2. Then interval form. A minus delta and a plus delta. So 5 minus 0.2, 5 plus 0.2. 4.8 and 5.2. Express x plus 1 less than 0.5 in neighborhood and interval form. X plus 1. This is your modulus form. So I will compare it. I will get A equal to minus 1 and delta 0.5. So you have to convert it into neighborhood form and interval form. And bracket A and delta. Okay, then interval form. Minus 1.5 minus 1 plus 0.5, so it will be minus 0.5. Now illustration 4. Express 9 and 1.1 in neighborhood and modulus form. This is given in interval form. You have to convert it into neighborhood and modulus form. See, A plus delta 1.1, A minus delta 0.9, eliminate करिए, minus minus plus 2 delta is equal to 0.2, so delta is equal to 0.2 divided by 2, 0.1. Now A plus delta is 1.1, so A plus 0.1 is equal to 1.1, so A is equal to 1.1 minus 0.1, so it is 1. X minus A less than delta. neighborhood form, n, a and delta, n 1 and 0.1. Clear? Now, punctured delta neighborhood of A. So, if A belongs to R and delta is any non-negative real number in the open interval A minus delta and A plus delta, except A is called punctured delta neighborhood of A. Means it can possess any value except A. That is called punctured neighborhood. હવે ટાયરમાં પંક્ચર થાય ને રીતના એ જગ્યાએ પંક્ચર પડી જાય. So n asterisk A delta means n A delta except A. So here n can possess any value between A and delta but not A. So for example, n punctured neighborhood 5 2, then n can possess any value between 5 and 2 but not 5. See, in exercise 4.1, sum number 5, sum number 6. N is equal to 3b is equal to 2.95 and k. Find values of b and k. Now, this is neighborhood form. So, if we'll compare A is equal to 3 because n is 3b. This is given interval form. Where A minus delta is 2.95. N છે neighborhood form. This is interval form. બંને equal જ થાય. If we will compare this, then n is equal to A and delta is equal to B. Now, A minus delta is 2.95, but A is 3. So, from this, you can say delta is equal to 0.5 and delta is equal to B. So B is equal to 0.05. Same way. A plus delta is equal to K. A is 3 and delta we have found out. You can say K is equal to 3.05. Okay. Sixth question. Modulus x minus 10 less than K1 is equal to K2. So this is modulus form, this is interval form. Now I will compare it with the original form. Then A is equal to 10 and delta is equal to K1. Then this is a minus delta, this is a plus delta. A minus delta is equal to K2 and A plus delta is equal to 10.01. Now A is equal to 10. So delta is equal to 0.01 and delta is K1. So K1 is equal to 0.01. Now putting this value here, A is equal to 10 and delta 0.01. So K2 will be 9.99. Clear? Can I?
Yes, sir.
પહેલા exercise 4.1 માં 1 2 3 કરો. ચલો પહેલા નેબરહુડ છે એને મોડ્યુલસ ને ઇન્ટરવલ માં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનો છે, પછી ઇન્ટરવલ ને નેબરહુડ ને મોડ્યુલસ માં, બરાબર છે? સોરી, મોડ્યુલસ ને ઇન્ટરવલ એન્ડ નેબરહુડ માં એન્ડ ધેન ઇન્ટરવલ ને મોડ્યુલસ ને નેબરહુડ માં. Now meaning of x tends to a. If the value of variable x is brought very close or nearer to number a by increasing or decreasing its value, it can be said that x tends to a. It is denoted by x arrow a. Means value of x will go nearer to particular number, but it will not become exactly that number. Means if x tends to 1, then it will be 0.9, 0.99, 0.999, 0.9999 or 1.0001, 1.001, 1.01, 1.1, but it will not exactly become 1. Same way, meaning of x tends to 0. If by increasing or decreasing the positive value or negative value of variable x, the value of x is brought very close to 0, then it is said that x tends to 0. Now, limit of a function. The function fx has a limit L. Limit is denoted by L. As x tends to a, if for each given predetermined epsilon greater than 0. However small, we can find a positive number delta such that in modulus form fx minus L less than epsilon for all x such that x minus a less than delta. Very confusing definition, but meaning of it, as I explained you earlier, when value of x will goes nearer to any particular number, then by replacing that particular value in function with x, we can find a definite value of function, that is called limit of function. Now there are different methods of finding limit. Now first of all, it is tabular method. See, find limit x tends to 3, 2x plus 5 by tabular method. Now what you have to do, x fx, x fx. Now x tends to 3 means it will be nearer to 3. So less than 3 and more than 3. 2.9, 2.99 and 2.999. And by increasing it will be 3.1, 3.01, 3.001. Now you can substitute this value in our function, that is 2x plus 5. So 2 into 2.9 plus 5. So it will be 10.8. Then 2 into 2.99 plus 5. So it will be 10.98. Then 2 into 2.999 plus 5. Same way, here it will be 2 into 3.1 plus 5. So it will be 11.2. Then 2 into 3.01 plus 5. 11.02. So you can see here value of function goes nearer to 11. 10.8, 10.98, 10.998, 11.2, 11.02, 11.002. So we can say that limit when x tends to 3 of fx 2x plus 5 is equal to, so when value of x tends to 3, the function will become 11. Okay, this is tabular method. See, another example. Illustration 7. Find limit x tends to 0, 2x square plus 3x upon x. X belongs to R except 0. Means x can possess any value but not 0. This is called puncture neighborhood using tabular method. See, so by decreasing minus 0.1, minus 0.01, minus 0.01, you have to take three values, decreasing and increasing. It can be 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. First of all, let's simplify. We can take x common in the numerator. So now it will become 2x plus 3, x cut. So here it will be, you can take this. Now 2 into minus 0.1 plus 3. So 3 minus 0.2. So it will be 2.8. Same way 2 into minus 0.01 plus 3. So it will be 2.98. 2.998. Same way here 2 into 0.1 plus 3. So 0.2 plus 3. So it will be 3.2, 3.02, 3.002. So limit x tends to 0, two x square plus 3x upon x is equal to 3. Illustration 9. Find limit x tends to 2. 3x square minus 4x minus 4 upon x square minus 4. X belongs to R except 2 by tabular method. And simplify કરવા માટે first of all we have to factorize. Numerator denominator ના factors પાડવા પડશે. Here comes your max. Split the middle term વાળો. First and last term નો coefficient 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 માં પ્લસ માઇનસ કરીને એવું કરવાનું કે it should be 4. 6 2s are minus 6 plus 2, so it will be 4. So 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4. Now we can take common 3x in first and second term. So 3x square, if I take 3x common, it will be x. And from 6x I will take common 3x, it will be 2. Taking common means dividing it. Then from 2x and minus 4 I can take 2 as common. So it will be then denominator. This is x square minus 2 whole square. A square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. Tomorrow I will dictate all the standard form of the factors. Okay? So a minus b, a plus b. X minus and x plus 2. So now it will be like this. Limit x tends to 2. In numerator it is 3x plus 2 x minus 2 upon x plus 2 x minus 2. This will cut. Now tabular x fx x fx. Now it is 2, means nearer to 2. By decreasing it 1.9 1.99, 1.99. Then by increasing 2.1, 2.01 and 2.001. So 3 into 1.9 plus 2 divided by 1.9 plus 2. So it will be 1.97, 1.974. Same way it will be 1.997, 1.9997. Same way here, 3 into 2.1 plus 2 upon 2.1 plus 2. So 3 into 2.1 plus 2, that is 8.3 divided by 4.1. So 2.0024, 2.0024, 2.00024. So your final answer is limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus 4x minus 4 upon x square minus 4 is equal to 2. Clear? If by replacing the value you will get 0 in denominator, x ની જગ્યાએ તમે કોઈ भी વેલ્યુ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરો અને જો ડિનોમિનેટર માં 0 આવે, that means limit does not exist. Denominator માં 0 આવે means no value, meaningless. Okay?